Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to download and install the NewsNation app. So let's get started. So to install that, you have to follow this easy step. Just open your Google search bar if you're an Android user, or you can search on your Play Store, or you can use your Apple Store as well if you're an iOS user. So it's very easy. Just go to the Google search bar and search for the NewsNation app. Okay. So write for app here. Okay. So at here you can directly click on the install and it will automatically download and install the app in your device. And by this way you can just install it. Same goes to iPhone. You can directly go to the Apple Store and search for it. And if you scroll down, you can see the reviews as well from here, and you can also place your review here. So this is how to install the NewsNation app. If you have any question, you can let me know in the comment section. And if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.